we're talking about is probably one of the most important things after you file a claim on your commercial property is that the initial and more adjuster meetings and who should be present.
Right.
So,
So adjusters love to do this or say this, hey, you know what? I'll just go to the property. I'll just take a look. No, thanks. No, 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 no. You're not going to be at the property. Nobody from the insurance company is going to be at the property without our express written permission, knowing that somebody's going to go out there. And if you're going to be there, most likely somebody from our team is going to be there. I'm just throwing that out there, right? Somebody from the insured side, if it's the contractor, if it's the public adjuster, if it's another vendor, somebody should be present unless we know and trust the adjuster or know and trust the engineer or know and trust the vendor. Chris, why is this?
well, I mean, you got to think of it almost as like a crime scene or the claim scene.
We call it the
Um,
claim scene
the
because
claim scene.
it has to be preserved. Otherwise, it could get tainted and evidence could be misplaced. So, Chris, go ahead.
Exactly. So that's almost your point right there. You want to make sure someone on your team is there because you don't know what that adjuster is going to do. Not that they're going to do anything wrong, but more importantly, you want to make sure that they actually look at all the damages for the actual property
That's
that's being
right.
investigated.
I would say that's probably the most important part, Chris, is
Mm.
we're not scared they're going to go up there and like vandalize the roof or something. Like that's not what
Yeah.
we're thinking. What we're thinking is, oh, whoops, I forgot to go look at this corner over here that has all the hail damage because
Uh-huh.
it's the most exposed. Oh, whoops, I forgot to document this metal roof over here, the standing seam metal roof over here because I just didn't feel like it. Oh, whoops, I didn't do a full inspection. And guess what? We see this happen all the time where I'm sitting up there going, hey, would you mind documenting this? Hey, did you see this over here? Hey, what about this over here? Like, did you
Mm-hmm.
see this up here?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm doing that because part of the insurance company's responsibility is to do a full and thorough inspection of the damage. And if they don't do it fully and thoroughly, then why are they there? Because they're going to miss
Mm-hmm.
stuff that would prove to them that they had to pay the claim. And trust me, again, when I say I've been on properties where I literally am documenting the engineer, the adjuster, the vendor, documenting the damage, but none of that shows up in the report. But if I document them documenting the damage that doesn't show up in the report, I can very easily say, oh, hey, what about these 70 photos that I have of you
Mm-hmm.
documenting the damage on that metal power vent that all of a sudden magically isn't in your report? Then you're saying there's no damage, which is weird because I'm literally over your shoulder watching you measure a hail hit on the power vent, which is covered under the policy and should be fully replaced, but magically that didn't show up in your report.